Benedict IT related videos we are uploaded day by day in my channel. Just subscribe. Today we are seeing when I try to open Microsoft Store, this is a error. Okay, how to resolve the issue? This is basically issues comes Windows updation related issues, and is there in your laptop or computer. This issues comes okay on Windows 10, Windows 10, Windows 12, Windows 11, any devices. Okay, how to resolve the issue? I am given the link on this folder. Go on download on the site. After just extract the folder. In folder, just copy paste to C drive. Okay, just copy paste to C drive. This is folder is Windows Update Enable Disable Tool. You want to Windows Update, just enable it. You want to disable, just disable it. Okay, this is tool. This is legal tool. Just run as administrator. You want to enable, just put enable. You want to disable, just Windows Update enable or disable, you fix it. You have already enabled. Once disable and restart your computer. After enable it, then restart your apply. Okay, this restart your computer, everything, all the tabs A to Z, close and restart it. After go and check in your Play Store. Now it is working or not. Now it is working. I am see the next video. This kind of related IT related videos, just subscribe it. Any doubt is there, just comment me, I am reply to you.